So, ma'am, right now we are at the end of November.
Yes, sir.
So, midterms are starting from 20th of December.
December.
That means it leaves us with around, you can say, around 18 days.
Yes.
Taking out all the weekends and all.
True.
So around 18 days we are, for placement processes. Next 18 days is going to be very crucial because once we complete our midterms, so that will be sometime on 28th December, right? And we'll have the year end and the new
Year-end.
year when
Yes.
most of the managers in the companies, they will take
True.
their vacation.
That's their vacation time.
Vacation time, yeah. And so we can expect that sometime again after first week of January only, we can expect that companies will be focused on hiring.
Yes, sir. Like you said, many of the corporates would have taken their vacation. They come back only after perhaps the first week of January,
Yeah.
completing their vacation. So the earliest that we could see them in full flow and swing is the second week of January.
Yeah. So keeping that in mind, and as we go to next year, even the CTCs also we see that typically after January the CTC also will go down. So keeping that in mind, many of our students who have already participated in various processes, they already have understood what are the areas that they should focus on, right? In order to crack. That is one thing I have noticed, that they have to work on it. So you can talk about some of the preparations that you think they should focus on in terms of aptitude. Secondly, I believe that apart from their areas for improvement, in terms of the profiles,
Yes.
because many times whether they have been actually trying to understand the profile and how it can provide them the right kind of platform to launch a career.
Yes.
For example, what I have seen that Colavera was a company
Yes.
where the profile was something very similar to what Oracle offers.
Absolutely.
But I somehow feel that maybe many students could have applied who were very suitable and looking forward to that kind of profile. But maybe they could not properly understand until and unless some of them actually had gone to faculty, talked to our placement managers. So that initiative is also required right now. So
Absolutely. I completely agree with all the points that you have made, sir. It is really pertinent here for us all to bear in mind that as and when we move forward to January towards Feb, the CTCs offered by the
Yeah.
company will also kind of
Slide.
see a slight slump.
yes,
If any of our students, if they are waiting for a better package, I think it is time for them now
It is
to
now.
apply
Yeah, it is
and crack the interview.
yeah,
So it also means that they have to really
Yeah.
work on their aptitude ability. Because this is one ability if they have to really do well. For example, Conferry,
Yeah.
this particular end of November and start of December, we have quite a few companies lined up.
yes,
We have Acquit Rating,
Yeah.
we have
Eisner.
yes, Eisner, we have iProve,
iProve is coming.
we have iProve, we have Conferry, and what have you.
Yeah.
So these companies will have very, very solid aptitude
Yeah.
tests where the students will have to really crack the aptitude test, which is the first hurdle.
Hurdle, yeah.
And then once they are done with this, they can just move forward
Yeah.
to the next rounds in the interview.
Yeah.
So I think this is the time where they really put in that kind of effort.
Yeah.
They practice, they do the mock tests
Yeah.
and everything. I think that is required.
Yeah.
Another thing, like you were saying, that we have to understand the profiles.
Profiles.
What are these profiles? How is it really going to help me to move forward in my career?
Yeah.
So what do I do? What do I look at even? Is it just the CTC which, nobody really can
For
really,
example, HCL.
yes.
HCL is a good example
Yes.
because the profile that they are offering, we have many students, in the past who have made very successful careers
Absolutely.
out of HCL. Although the CTC is something that students are looking at, but the profile itself is such that it will put you in an organization
Yes.
as well as in a profile which will really, you can think about a long-term career out of it.
Absolutely.
And particularly the industry, when you talk about IT industry, it is one of the robust industries in India. And once you are into that kind of an organization, you can have lot of, mobility.
Yes,
Isn't it?
that reminds me,
Yeah.
we are done with CN Technology,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So, two of our students got selected, but what really beats me is the limited number
Yeah.
of
Students.
applications we
Yeah.
had. Now, this profile
Yeah.
would have been just one step
Yeah.
below getting into investment banking
Exactly,
space.
exactly.
Now that is what really surprises me sometimes. Coming to your point that whenever you do not understand a role or a profile, it's a great idea. It's a smart idea to go to your faculty, discuss what is in it for you in the role,
Yeah.
and then only decide whether you want to apply
Yeah.
to that company or not.
Yeah.
I think this is
Yes.
one thing that our students
Should
really have to
really do. Yeah.
pay
So-
their focus.
So,
here.
so basically, ma'am, to sum it up, as we head towards our midterm exams, these you can say almost close to 3 weeks time that we have, or less than that actually,
Yes.
is very crucial.
Very crucial.
And so preparation from the point of view of the aptitude,
Yes.
and secondly, not leaving the opportunities. We have many profiles which have been floated now.
Yes.
Understand the profile and prepare for it. Get in touch with the faculty, get in touch with the placement managers, because just merely appearing in the process will not
Will
help.
not help.
Many of
really.
our students have already, been there, experienced it.
Yes.
So time to, really get real.
Yes.
Right? And then ensure that once we are back from the New Year break for the corporates and we are done with our midterm, very soon, within 4 weeks' time, we have our semester
Extra.
coming to an end.
Absolutely.
So once the semester comes to an end, from a student we become an alumnus.
Alumnus.
Right, and then to keep yourself motivated to prepare, it becomes very, very cumbersome,
Yes.
as well as very kind of maybe stressful also, isn't
Absolutely.
it? So by the time we sit for the final exam in the end semester,
Yes.
it is desirable, and keeping in mind right now the industry scenario, the pandemic scenario,
Absolutely.
and it is the smartest thing to get the
Yes.
job in hand.
Yes.
We have some students, who have, I have seen, ma'am, you have noticed that they started the process, and initially they had a lot of, expectations and hope about that how they can perhaps crack it. Some sectors, they were not so successful, but with their persistence, they have actually made it.
Yes.
It is very heartening, and I'm sure each and every of our students, they are capable.
Yes.
Only thing is they have to come out of all those inhibitions, go get a job, get a platform, and make a career.
I completely agree with what you are saying. So everything boils down to preparation,
Yes.
putting your mind
Yes.
into what you want,
Yes.
understanding the profile,
Yeah.
and definitely preparing
Yeah.
for that profile.
Yeah.
One other thing that I want to stress
Yeah.
here is
Yeah.
when we are talking about aptitude test, it is just not about the quantitative ability or the verbal ability or the data interpretation, that the ability that you bring to the table. It's also, your sales aptitude.
Sales aptitude.
These are things that on my own I have to be preparing
Yeah.
for.
So in other words, if I'm sitting for a profile,
Huh.
why I'm sitting for this company?
Yes.
So I know the company very well, its
Yes.
business, its
Yes.
products and services,
Yes.
How do I fit into this profile?
Absolutely.
My knowledge, skills, and my competencies
Right.
around that.
Right.
And then these two are very crucial.
Yes.
I think, as you said, the sales aptitude, that I should be able to effectively sell my knowledge and skills and my suitability for the job.
Absolutely.
Right? That is the preparation.
Absolutely. If
Fine.
the profile needs me to be well versed with my Excel skills,
Yes.
or advanced Excel skills,
Yeah.
I think I need to really prepare myself in updating my skills. So
Yeah.
everything I think boils
Yeah.
down to clear goal setting and preparation.
Fine, ma'am. So, what we really wish our students, the very best as they keep preparing for the upcoming profiles, and also now many of the companies will prefer to have them, physically in person present.
Yes.
They should also think in those lines and prepare for it, and hope that all of them get placed, well before the final semester.
Absolutely, sir. We are here to really create opportunities for all of them. And of course, it is in their hands to make the best out of the opportunities.
Yes.
And I join you in wishing them all the very
the best.
best for their, jobs and career growth.
Yeah, and let's start 2022 with a very joyful
Yes.
note. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you. All the best.